Hello everyone, my name's Michael and I'm incredibly excited to meet a very inspiring person today. I'll be talking to an outstanding scientist and researcher from Kyoto University in Japan, Professor Setsuhisa Tanabe. He recently received the Otto Schott Award for his long-standing contributions to the field of optically active materials. He's also made long-standing contributions to education and training in this field. Today I'm curious to learn more about his research and to understand where his pioneering spirit comes from. Welcome to Germany.
Yeah, thank you.
It's very nice having you. And first of all, congratulations on winning the Otto Schott Award for your research. Congratulations. I'm curious to learn more about the situation when you heard that you won the award. How did you get knowledge of this?
Well, probably that was at the end of February or March. I received a email from Matthias Müller, and he wanted to discuss with me by online meeting, and I received, and he reported me the award winning.
And what did you feel when you heard the news?
I knew the award is world famous, and I know Hideo Hosono, Eli Snitzer, David Griscom, Kazuki Hirao has been the winner. So I was really happy to receive the news.
And if I was a 5-year-old, could you explain to me for what exactly you were awarded?
I was awarded because of my continuous research on rare doped laser glass and phosphor materials for lighting, telecommunication, and light storage.
And this glass, what makes it so special? Also for you, why are you so much into this special kind of glass?
Well, I like luminescence, lighting, and I can make glass which is colored and which luminescent different colors. Like erbium has a pink color, but the luminescence is green or 1.5 micron, which is invisible near infrared, but telecommunication is possible.
So it were mainly the people who brought you to stick with glass?
Yes.
And glass ceramic and the materials?
Yes.
So it's the people that inspired you?
Dr. Izumi Tani, he was the manager of Hoya Corporation. And Izumi Tani was the first person in Japan to commercialize laser glass and optical glasses. He was very strong person, strong personality. At that time, he is so, how do you say, who gives very strong impression to younger people.
So he inspired you in a way?
Yes, of course. He sent me neodymium laser glass. No. It's impossible to measure most power spectrum with this. So what he did next is, he actually made European doped glass of the same composition and sent me. So that, I could measure most power spectrum for them. And final results was that kind of information exchange or discussion helped me a lot.
And now also what's of interest, Schott is also developing a laser glass like this. What was the first time you met someone or someone from Schott that inspired you?
My first meeting with Schott people, maybe Wolfgang Pankhorst, who was a chair of TC7 of ICG. TC7 is a technical committee on glass ceramics, and he was the chair of that.
Throughout your career, have there been challenges or I mean, there are always challenges because you're a researcher, but
Yeah.
was there a major challenge that really seemed impossible to solve, but you did it?
Well, maybe YAG glass ceramics can be our answer to you. That not solving a problem, but changing the direction. I mean, I was trying to make erbium doped YAG glass ceramics for waveguide amplifier, but it was impossible to make transparent YAG ceramics. Instead, we could make YAG single-phase precipitated glass ceramics, which was translucent. Translucent cannot be a laser material. But instead, why don't we dope cerium instead of erbium? Phosphor converting material for LED lamps, which was just initiated by Nichia Corporation. You know, Nichia company produced first commercialized blue LED, which also commercialized white LED for general lighting. The efficiency is the best with YAG cerium material. That's true. So I knew the story. So, why don't we make YAG glass ceramics, which produces inorganic or inorganic solid solution? Because previously, every LED requires organic resin. With our glass ceramics, that was not necessary.
So your research also enabled the LED development then?
Yes.
Oh, wow, that's exciting. Is there an application for your materials, the ones that you developed, that now is changing the world, and this really excites you because you really worked on this from the beginning? Because most times, I mean, these advanced materials, they are enabling things. For example, this piece of glass, it looks like a glass with a color, but in the end, it's enabling fusion reaction, right? And this is extremely exciting, also for me to understand, because I'm not a scientist. But is there any application out there that really benefits from your work and that makes you proud?
I don't think it's already changing the world, but what I am hoping now to working on is storage phosphor, which absorb light energy. I want to make it is optical battery. Store the light energy and extract light from that, which we are working on.
Oh, wow.
That kind of material should be necessary in the future.
Was there a collaboration with Schott in the past?
After 2001, of course, I met Sprengard, Martin Lett, several people.
What came out of this this gathering that you talked about? Because I brought this image. Right?
Oh, thank you.
I printed it, and these people. Do you?
Yes, of course, I remember very well.
Can you talk a little bit about this?
Yeah.
Where did this? What happened here?
Yeah, this was a whiskey house restaurant near the old Castle Hotel. We drove there for dinner. And yeah, you know Sprengard
Yeah, I know him very
and
well. Yeah.
Joe Hayden and Jose Zimmer, Matthias Brinkmann, Martin Letts, Hagemann. Yeah, that was 2001 when I was 38 years old.
Wow. Nice. Yeah. Some of these guys are still with us. And throughout your career, you traveled a lot and got inspired?
Yes, maybe. Yeah, probably before Corona pandemic, I traveled 5 or 6 times every year, being invited to various conferences or summer school to give a seminar. And at every night, I like drinking wine, singing. Sometimes I'm forced to.
You enjoy singing? You like to sing?
Yes.
You are a singer?
Yes.
Oh, wow. I mean, I would offer you the stage, but...
Oh, happy to. I'll be happy to.
Would you?
Yes.
Is there a song you want to... is there something you want to sing right now?
You know Beethoven. Freude, schöner, Götterfunken, Boden, Saft, Flügelwald, diese treten Feuerfunke, himmlischen dein Heiligtum. Deine Zauberbinder wieder, was sie Modestrün geteilt. Alle Menschen werden Brüder wohl, sanfter Flügelwald.
And if you could give one advice to a young scientist, I know that's into science, material science, is there one single advice or several advices that you have in mind?
Make friends and travel or study at different places, and you will change your mind completely.
Thank you so much.
Thank you
for this talk. It was really a pleasure.
Thank you.
I learned a lot today, and I'm wishing you a great time here in Germany. And yeah, looking forward to meet you again.
Thank you
in the future. Thank you so much. And this evening you will have Spargel.
Yes, I hope so.
I'm pretty sure about this. They arranged everything. They made sure they have.